CSS3 User Resizing and Box Sizing. Open outline.html with Notepad and save as user.html. Delete the content. Create div less than sign div class equal to within quotes resize greater than sign. Then close div. In between, create paragraph and write some text. Then save and see it in the browser. We got text. We are going to style div. Specify border only. We don't want to specify width, height and background color. Write style dot resize open and close brackets border colon 1 px space solid space gray semicolon. We got border around the text. Then add some padding value. Padding colon 20 px semicolon. Margin colon 0 semicolon. We can use paragraph tag or without paragraph text. Then specify width colon 400 px semicolon. Now we got two lines based on the width value. Add resize style resize colon both semicolon. We can restrict the resize option in X or Y axis. If we use both, we can resize in both axes. Save and update the browser. We cannot resize it now. We have to add overflow style to resize. Overflow colon auto semicolon. Now we got icon on the right bottom border to resize div. Now we can resize it in both X and Y axis. Using CSS3, we can create resizable element. The user can resize it. Add more text in the div. Add text for more than 5 lines. Save and update. We can resize, and if the box height is smaller than the content, we will get scroll bar on the right side. Delete the overflow option. Now we got fixed size window we can resize. Add overflow style. Then try a resize horizontal. We can resize only in x-axis. Change to vertical. Resize only in y-axis. Like this, we can restrict the resize direction. Again, change to resize both. This is how we can use resizing. Next, box sizing. We can create two boxes side by side using CSS3 box sizing. We are going to create container div and inside content div. Create div less than sign div space class equal to within quotes container greater than sign, then close div. In between less than sign div class equal to within quotes content greater than sign, close div. Add one more paragraph. Copy paste the same content. Copy paste the same content. Copy from content open div to close div. We got two paragraphs. Add style. First style container div dot container open and close brackets Specify width and border. Width colon 500 px semicolon, border colon 1 px solid gray semicolon. We got border. Write content div style dot content open and close bracket box hyphen sizing colon border hyphen box semicolon. Width colon 50 percentage semicolon. And create border colon 1 px solid gray semicolon. We got two divisions up and down, but we want to create them side by side. Add style float colon left semicolon. We got two divs side by side. Now add clear both style. When you specify clear both, the next element will move to next row. Now add third paragraph. Copy second div and paste it. If you have 3 paragraphs, delete clear both style from second content and paste it in the third div. When you specify clear both, the next element will move to next row. That's the reason we moved the clear both div from second to third. Still the third div is in the next row. Check the style. We should reduce the width to around 30%. Now 3 divisions are in same row. This is how we can use box sizing style in CSS3.